Welcome back to Review Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a drop-down menu in Shopify. It's super simple and perfect even if you're just getting started. Step 1. Go to Menus and open Main Menu. From your Shopify admin dashboard, take a look at the menu on the left side and click on Content, then select Menus. This is where you manage all your menus. Now click on Main Menu. This is usually the menu that appears at the top of your website. Step 2. Add drop-down menu items. In here I want to create a menus including Home, Product, Collection, and Blog. To create a drop-down menu, you'll add sub-items. Click Add Menu Item. First, I type Home in the label box. Then move the mouse to the right cell and select the link to the home page. Next, I add something similar to the product label and link to all product page. After that, I will add the collection label and select all collection page. In this parent item, I will create sub-items to classify products on topics. Simple example is Summer Collection and T-shirt. The sub-menu was created similar to the menu item just now. Then, drag it underneath and slightly to the right under the parent item. It will automatically become a sub-menu. Repeat the same with the blog label and then link it to the news page. Step 3. Save and preview menu. Don't forget to click Save. Now visit your store and you'll see your new drop-down menu in action, and that's it. Just a few quick steps and your Shopify menu is now cleaner and more organized. If this helped, give it a like and subscribe for more easy Shopify tips. Thanks for watching.